Okay, so let's look at a couple of examples using loop. Okay, we'll look at a couple of examples using for loop, and then a couple of examples using while. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, we already have this, right?
No, it was not available on
It's
website.
not available, right? Okay, I got busy with things, so that's why I could not. Let me put it here. I'll paste it there later. Okay, so we were talking about for loop, right? And I said for loop is used when you know exactly how many times you have to run the loop. So let's say I want to print one star. Okay, so I say print star, right? So if I run it, you will get one star, isn't it?
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
if I say I want to print 5 stars, so how will I say? I'll say for I in range 5,
Mm-hmm.
correct? I'll say for I in range
I
5 and
five.
correct. So now when I run it, you get
Yeah.
5 stars,
Mhm.
correct? So this is how you get
Right.
5 stars.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah. Yes.
now I want these 5 stars to be printed in one single line. I want all these 5 stars to
Okay.
be printed in one single line. Now, how will I print in one single line?
Mm-hmm.
So I have not told you this. There's an option called as end. Okay, END. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
see if you look at the programs that we've been doing here, we are printing, right? So each or maybe here itself, you see, when I print,
Mm-hmm.
each of these are printing in different line. Okay, in programming languages, and
Yeah.
this is true with all the programming languages, you have something called as /n, which is for new line.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so let's say
Mm-hmm.
I say print A/n, B/n, C/n, D/n. Okay, what do you call this? We call it backward slash, right? Or forward slash. I think backward
Mm-hmm.
slides, or right?
Backwards. Yeah.
Yeah. So when I say A, okay, and now when I run it, so A is printed, okay, here,
Okay.
and then B is printed in next line. Okay, because we said /n, it is printing in next line. C is again next line, D next line, because /n is used to print new line.
Next line. Okay. New
Next
line.
line, yes. So, okay,
Yeah.
I will comment it out. Now here, when we did not put end, what happened? Okay, stars are printed in next line. That means the print, okay, print has invisible new line. Invisible /n at the end, right? So see here, if I say print hello,
Mm.
print good morning or good evening. Now when I run it, it is getting printed in different line. That means there is a /n at the end, invisible /n. There is invisible
Yeah.
/n at the end. Okay, there is
Okay.
invisible /n at the end. Okay, so
Yeah.
now when most of the time, 90% of the time, you will probably want it. Okay, but sometimes you may
Okay.
not want it. Like for example, here Okay, in good morning and hello, I want them in different line.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
Then it makes sense to have it. So automatic slash n is preferred. But in the first case, if you see, okay, I do not want in the new line. Okay, the stars, I don't want them in new line. I want them all in one single line.
Yeah, right.
If I want all of them in
Yeah.
one single line, then what do I do?
Okay.
I need to delete this invisible new line, isn't it? So for that, we use a command called as end, end.
Okay. Okay.
End equal to. So when I say end equal to, it is like saying
Okay.
that, please ignore end. Please ignore new line at the end. And instead, add what I am
Okay.
giving to you.
Mhm.
See, default at the end, it is new line. But when you do not want new line, you have to
Yeah,
say,
right.
please ignore what is there.
Mhm.
Instead, okay, take this. So I'm giving a space here. So that means the new line will be removed and
Space.
space will
Okay.
be added. Okay, new line is removed and
Okay.
space is added. So now when you run it, so see, all
Got
of them got printed in same line. And what happened? Even hello, there is no space here. Because we
okay.
said print no, end equal to space, it is printing
Mhm.
space, and this hello also got added here. So what I'll do is, I'm going to go to the beginning of for loop, and I'm going to say print, blank print. When I don't do anything, by default, new line is printed here, right? So hello came in next line. Make sense?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Okay. So we
Yeah.
have I which is
But
printing
then,
star.
hello is, sir,
Yeah,
hello is like already in new line.
see, I told you it is end of the print, not beginning of the print. Hello is new line, but from where is it starting? It is starting here.
From, yeah.
Okay, because
Okay.
okay, so if you are, let's say, see, lines are getting executed in sequence, right? So if you are line
Okay.
number 11, your position is dictated by 10, 9, or 8, right? Previous line,
Mhm.
right? Since we
Okay.
did not give
Yeah.
new line in previous line, so did not give new line. So hello is starting from the same line,
Okay.
right? So now I go and
Got
I
it.
give new line so that print has new line.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Got it.
print has new line. Okay, so now when I run, you get this. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can print star. Okay, if you give 10, you get 10 stars. Okay, so if you want to print in same line, you can say end equal to space, it will print in same line.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Now, um, I want to print 5 lines, 5 lines, 5 lines, 5 lines, another 5 times. So this is one line, correct?
Yeah.
I want
Okay.
to,
So
I
another
want
five
to,
kind of stars.
yes.
Okay.
So see here, what do we use to repeat?
So for I in range of five.
What do we use to repeat? A loop, isn't it?
Yeah.
We use loop to repeat, right? Now this is entire one line, and I want to repeat this line, correct?
Yeah.
I want to repeat this line, isn't it? So
Yes.
how do I repeat this line?
So we can say for I, no.
Okay, correct. So the
I
entire
in,
thing, okay, entire thing have to repeat.
yeah.
So this entire thing has to be in a loop. So I'll say for j in range 5 colon and print this. See, this entire thing is giving you one line. So I
Yeah.
want to repeat this entire thing in a loop. So this is an example of loop in a loop.
Okay. So we can't just multiply this function like print into 5, like how we do in
Correct. We could do that.
Excel.
Yes. Correct. So see, that is the thing when you want to do something 25 times. Okay. But there is a difference between
Yeah.
5 times and 25 times because see, if the same logic you want to do it, then 25 is
Mhm.
good. Okay. But I
Yeah.
don't want to do same logic here. See, same logic is what now you get these stars. Right? So this one I could have said 25, right? What you said is right. I could have said 25, but this is not my intention. My intention is to
Yeah.
repeat
In different line.
a different line, correct? So after printing one line, I need to give blank line before I start with second line, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this will print one line. After one line, I have to use the print just like I did here. So because of this extra line, you cannot use 25 now.
Yeah.
25 means same set of code 25 times, but we are not doing same set of code 25 times.
Yes.
We are doing 5 times this, then doing something else, then doing again 5 times, again doing something else, again 5 times, doing something else, and
Okay.
I'm just repeating that.
Okay. But
So
mhm.
yeah, any question?
Yeah, but like if we can't do same thing 25 times, there must be some like shortcut for this.
This is a shortcut, no?
Okay.
See, just with 4 lines, I have created this 25 print. What mode? I mean, what
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now, and see, the thing is possible. I'm not saying that. Okay, this is best. Possible. There is one more way. Okay, but you tell me what logic will you use so that we can get faster than this, right? Or less steps than that. Of course,
Mhm.
right? Um, uh, if you can think, we can code. Coding
Okay.
is as good as at your thinking. If you are able to think, you can definitely code it. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you think and tell me that this is how can we do this, of course, if you tell me, we can do it.
Okay. Just give me like 2 minutes.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
No, I don't. I was thinking like
Yeah, go ahead.
I in
Can you explain me on MS Paint, pen and paper, something?
yeah. Uh, I can just share the screen.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah, you can actually stop me and
You
can
cannot
share your
check.
screen.
So I was trying this thing, but it didn't work actually.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't work. 5 into 25 we can't do. But we can't print here, like we can't put 25 here, like
Mm,
print this because
no, no.
it's showing
See, print 25 is same as loop. No, see, you want to print 25 times. That means it's a loop only, right? If you have to
uh,
repeat, you have to use loop, and you have only two options: for loop or while loop. See, in Python, if you have to repeat something more than once, you have two options. You can use for loop or you can use while loop. That's it. There's no other
okay.
way to repeat it. Okay. Now you are talking about, yes, this is possible. Okay. Okay. So this is possible when delete end. Yeah, this is possible when you put it on the other side. Okay, not on the left side. So string, yeah. Now you say delete comma also say into 5 or into 25. There you say 20 into, yeah. No, no, no,
Uh,
right side. I'm saying right side. No,
this
see, take your cursor where it was and told you to into 25. Why did you move the cursor?
okay into 25.
Where? Your cursor was before after quotation. Put your cursor after quotation. Yes. Here I'm telling you to put
Okay,
into 25. No, why are you moving the cursor? Yes. Delete the
okay, okay,
25 before. Yes. Delete it. Yes. Now you run it. Colon. For loop will have colon, right? At the end. Top. 32. Top. Not here. Top 32. Yeah. Now you run it.
okay. This is this.
Yeah. So 25 stars. Okay. And then you're multiplying that with 5. So
Okay, so
each line
above.
is 25. And that
Okay.
step you are multiplying 5 times.
So here we have to put 25 and down we can put 5. So in
No,
that case,
both you have
we
to
can
five only. My intention was to print 5
5
stars.
stars, but
So
25 lines, right, sir?
no,
No.
I need also
Okay.
5, isn't it? See, there are 25 stars. So,
Mm-hmm.
so either you do 1 to 25 or 1 to 5 and repeat it 5 times, right? So inside also 5, and then we
Okay.
are repeating the 5 into 5 times. That is 25. Okay, star into 5. I want only 5 stars in a
Okay.
row.
Got it. Started in a new line. We didn't put that end function here.
Yeah, because before, see, print will print the end at the end, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, okay, so you are saying star into 20, I mean, make it 5, okay, not
Yeah.
25. So I'm saying star into 5. So it will finish first printing star 5 times, and when it
Okay.
is end, it will put the new line, right? So it will end only when the star is put 5 times. So
Okay. So
once
is
you
it
put,
because we use the into function into
correct,
uh
into is part of
sign?
same line, not different line,
Okay.
right? And give space after star. It doesn't look nice to have continuous star.
Okay.
And why don't you do one thing? Okay, if till line number 31 to 30, just cut and paste in different file. We'll run
Okay.
only this file. Okay, otherwise you don't have to go through. Select. Wait. No. You already have so many files. Can you show me what you have in session 3? Okay, session 3 is what we did, right?
Yeah,
So,
I'm like practicing as per sessions.
correct. So you can even okay, fine. In that case, you want to keep it fine, or you can keep a new session. Yeah.
Yeah, I make a
And I
new
told you not to give space. See, session practice one does not have, but session two, three, I told you not to give space in file names. Okay,
Yeah.
nothing wrong, but make it a habit of not giving it.
Okay.
Sometimes it can create problems.
Okay, got it, sir. Okay. So now if you want to run 25 times, you just have to write 25 here.
Of course, if you want. So this is 25 into 5, right? 25
Yeah,
lines, and each line will have 5 stars,
yeah, right. Got it, sir.
right?
Yeah. So I have to stop sharing, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have my pie chart here. Okay. Right? So this is how you can run 5 times, right? So inner
Yeah.
loop is running 5 times, and the whole thing I'm running 5 more times. Okay. Um,
So in that case, sir, this function uh we don't have to run, right? If we do that one which
no. See, uh, inner loop you can multiply 5 times, right? But
okay.
again, the whole thing have to repeat it 5 times,
Yeah, right.
right? So the whole thing again you have to put for loop.
Okay.
Okay. One output when you are done, then you are putting second output and you want to run it again, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay. So this is how you can have loop inside a loop.
Okay.
And now let's say I want to I want to use while loop, okay, to do the same thing. Okay, can you try? I'll pause recording.
Yeah.